It's Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a gift ideas video. I do it every year, Valentine's Day special. It's like 4 years I'm doing it continuously. If you guys haven't watched my all the other gift ideas, I'll link that playlist over here. There are like over 14 to 15, yeah, I think 16, I don't know. इतने सारे videos है gift ideas पे, तो you guys will definitely find something on my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys some very beautiful, amazing ideas. These ideas are like totally last minute and I'm sure you guys are going to love it because मुझे personally सारे ideas बहुत पसंद आए, बहुत ही beautiful लग रहे हैं सब ideas. Click that red subscribe button if you guys haven't. It would mean a lot to me. Please subscribe कर देना. Give this video a big thumbs up and without wasting time, let's get started. So for this first DIY, take any size rectangular paper and fold it into half. Then take a white square paper and stick it on top of the red card. You will need red and black color wooden clips. I don't have black wooden clip, so I painted this pink one with black acrylic color. 2 wires in red and black color. You can find them in any hardware store. If you couldn't find that, another option is you can use a red and black color thread or yarn. Then cut a heart-like shape on any gold metallic paper or glitter foam sheet. Take wooden clips and clip them on both the side of the heart like so. And using hot glue gun or Fevicol, stick both the clips in the center of the card. So glue red wire in the middle of the red clip. Then stick the wire on paper like so and cut out the excess. Then black wire in the middle of black wooden clip and do the same thing that we did with red wire. Make heartbeat sign. And inside the card write, "You jumpstart my heart" with black and red pen, followed by your message. And that's it. Such a creative and meaningful greeting card. If you want something very quick and ready-made card, I have made this pun card for you guys that says, "Will you be mine, mine, mine?" Now this reminds me of Finding Nemo. So you just have to print this out on a photo paper. Link of this card will be in the description box. It will be on my blog. Easy and quick pun card is ready. Next DIY is again very creative gift for which you will need a square paper. Fold it 3 times on both ways. Then take both the ends and fold it like so. Repeat same process on the other side. Now on the folded parts, you just have to secure the box by applying some white glue. So I'm making an origami box here. You can totally skip this process and if you want, you can directly use a box or you can recycle an old box. Take any color heart cutout made out of glitter foam sheet. Stick it on the box in the center. You can decorate the box however you like. I'm simply using rhinestone stickers on all the corners. Then take 4 paper straws. You can even use wooden sticks if you couldn't find paper straws. Stick each straw inside the box using hot glue or white glue. Now make sure that the straw is a little slanted and it's not very straight because later on we'll be putting a balloon on top of it. So as you guys can see, all the straws aren't straight. They are a little slanted towards outside. Put a red paper in the center. Here you can put your gift like chocolates, jewelry, anything that you want inside the box. Then finally, place balloon in the center of all the 4 straws and done. Such a beautiful and unique DIY gift idea for not only Valentine's Day, but I feel this will definitely go for any occasion. Absolutely love this DIY. So this DIY is the easiest one. Take any empty jar or recycle any old container. Take 2 different color and size foam sheet hearts. Next, I printed out that says "Kisses for you." So link for this will be available in the description box along with the card. Now you just have to stick it on the opposite side of the jar using clear tape. Take a square piece of red velvet cloth, place it on the top and close the lid. So you'll end up having cute design on both the side of the jar. Fill the jar with some Kisses chocolate and beautiful, totally last minute gift idea is ready. That says Kisses for you with some Kisses chocolates. For the last gift idea, you will need a square piece of paper of 21 cm. Divide it into 3 sections of 7 cm each. Do this on all the 4 sides of the paper. Then join all the lines together, and when you'll do that, you will get something like this. Cut out all the 4 corners. And this is how it will look. Now fold all the sides. Fold one side of the paper into half like so. Do it on the other side as well. Both the folds should look like this. Then take a red paper heart, cut it into half. Stick one half on one side of the folded paper and second half on the other top of the folded paper. Carefully cut out the white section, like the extra section around the heart. So when you will bring them together, it will form a heart. Draw 2 lines on both the sides of the remaining paper. Using paper cutter or scissor, you have to cut those lines. Make sure to leave a little gap. Now take a paper and measure the center and make accordion fold. It is a little tricky to explain, but I hope you guys are getting it. It is very easy DIY, guys. I'll start decorating it. You can be creative here, write down your message or stick some pictures. Once you are done decorating it, just apply glue and stick it in the center. Now I'm just randomly decorating inside of the card with the leftover papers, but this is totally optional. So when you open the folded paper, this is how it is going to look. And carefully close all the flaps. Yeah, done. Actually, it is very easy when you start making. It's very crafty, so I would really recommend you guys to try this out. I feel this is so cute and thoughtful. Definitely a great gift idea for Valentine's Day. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed all the ideas. I would personally love to receive, ऐसे gifts. तो वो चीज़ सोचकर मैंने सारे आइडियाज़ बनाए एंड आई होप आप लोग को पसंद आया हो. मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया, गाइज. आई कीप अपडेटिंग अबाउट ऑल द लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़ या जो भी मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ एंड अभी जहाँ जाने वाली हूँ सब चीज़ के बारे में आई कीप अपडेटिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. तो या प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ओवर देयर एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज वेरी सून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय. कीप इंस्पायरिंग.